guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing and a quick overview of a Motorola smartphone here. This is the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion and let me show you around the box and I will tell you more about the specifications and we'll do the actual unboxing. So yeah, the eco-friendly box which Motorola is known for. Earlier they gave that deep blue color of box, but these days they use this package. This is plastic free packaging, very eco-friendly. Okay, so this is the Pantone color. And the MRP of this is 25,000. So yeah, this one is the 256 GB ROM plus 8 GB RAM variant. And let's go back. It's 60 Fusion. Yeah, okay. Dolby Atmos. And I would have to say this is totally bang for your buck. I did a lot of research before I bought this. I have to say with a good price point, this gives everything you can ask for. So yeah, you might think why there is no seal, because I ordered this from Flipkart and they do the they open the box, open box delivery, and they show everything before they do. So yeah, this already opened. So disclaimer. All right, let's keep this aside for now. And what do we get in the box? All right, so of course we have the charging cable, type C to type C. Of course there is the charger. Very good Motorola, because these days most of the mobile phones, they do not come with chargers, they only provide a the charging cable. So this one is a quick charging brick for this one. I think this has around yeah, very quick charge. So just one, it's covered with a paper, we have to take that out. All right, now let's bring this out. Very beautiful. Oh, this looks absolutely amazing. Motorola logo here, and this is quite nice. So this has a nice leather finish to that. This is not glass. Let me see. So you can see there is some indentation. Yeah, is this visible? Yeah, so this has very nice. It will be very grippy, but I think this will also get dirty very soon. So make sure to put some case here. Unfortunately, Motorola did not provide us with a case this time. Usually they do, but for some reason they did not. Okay, let me just bring this out. There are a little bit, couple more. Yeah, okay, what is this? I have no idea. I absolutely have no idea what this is. If you know what this is, put that in the comment section. Legal safety information booklet, plastic waste management, Motorola Access Division. So everything is there, the sensors, microphone, proximity power button, and everything, how to operate that, how to put your SIM. Of course this has two physical SIM slots. That's good. And does this also have a SD? I don't think so. Optional, sold separately. According to this has a slot. Okay, we'll see. If this is expandable, then this nice. These days no one provides that. Okay, we have a pin to take out the SIM tray. This is good. Let me just show you. So this is the volume up and down. This is all, of course, metallic. This part, the frame is totally metal. And volume up, volume down. This is, I think this is the power button. Microphone here. On the top, another microphone. Dolby Atmos branding here. I think it's visible. Yes. On this side, it's absolutely clean. In some of the Motorola models, or these days, nothing also provides an AI button or a function key. It's not there. I like it. This is very clean, very practical. Just the power button, volume up, down button. At the bottom, we have the speakers here. Type C charging port, another microphone slot, and this is the SIM tray. And of course this has Dolby, and this the speaker is dual. It comes off from this end and this end as well. So I will do the full review of this very soon. I will do the sound test, the picture test, all of this, so stay tuned for that. And let me just quickly see if this has, okay, which one? This one, I think. Yeah, this makes sense. I do not want to poke and destroy one of my microphones, so you have to be careful about that. So this has some amount of waterproofing. As you can see, there is a gasket, and yes, this has expandable storage, SD. This is very rare. I'm quite surprised. When I bought this, I didn't know about that. But yeah, you can either put a SIM 2, SIM 1 here, or you can put one SIM, and you can also put an SD card there. Awesome. And let me try to see if there is something here. The screen of this should be very nice. Okay, so hello Moto, as you can see, it's nice and vibrant. This has a curve, very nice curve on all sides, curve on this side as well, and on the top it's a little bit curve as well. The camera here, 32 megapixel. The screen is absolutely mind-blowing. So if you want to know more about this, yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will do the full review of this very soon. And also let me tell you a little bit more about this. So about the specifications, this has the world's most immersive true color display. This is 1.5K quad curved. As I was saying, it's curved from all of the 4 sides. The camera of this is 50 megapixel Sony LYT700NC true color camera. It comes with Android 16 with 256 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM, and the peak brightness of the screen goes to around 4500 nits, so outside it will have no problem at all. And this has one good thing about this, and which surprised me, is this has military grade durability. This has a MIL 810 military grade certifications, and it says IP68 water and dust resistance, so that is really good. It also has Moto AI, and yeah, this color is the Pantone. I think it is available in 3 more color options, black and white, I think, and it's quite good. The chipset here is Mediatek Dimensity 7400, and the battery of this is 5500. Yeah, and the charging of this, the charger that we got, it has a 68 watt turbo power charging, so that is this one. This is 68 watt turbo power charging. This is quite nice. The speakers of this has Dolby Atmos and high resolution audio, best in the class. I would have to say bang for your money. I got this for around 25,000, and this is like, it's a far better experience than nothing, I would have to say, because this has everything. This is high resolution audio, this has Dolby and all of the things. So yeah, and the glass of this is Gorilla Glass 7i, and this also has SGS eye care protection, so all those with sensitive eyes, I think this will be very good for that. And this has a water touch 3.0 anti-fingerprint coating, so as you can see, I'm putting my fingerprints here, but it's not getting any smudges there. So awesome, very good, I think. Yeah, as I mentioned, since this can get dirty very quickly, because the finish of this is a leather finish, and you have to buy a separate case. I already got that, so always use this phone with protection, because this is very slim, and if this falls down because of the curved edges, this is a very good chance that the screen might get cracked. So I would recommend use this phone with a case and a protector always. For now, that's it. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I'll answer each and every one of you. I've tried to give you all of the details, and if you like that, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. And stay tuned for the full review video of this that will be coming out soon. So take care, bye. So the data copy has started. It takes around 1 hour. So yeah, so I'm setting up the new phone. This was the old Motorola Edge. I think it was the 20 or something. You can see this has the green line, which is very common with the Motorola devices, and this is the Motorola Edge 60. So yeah, let's complete the setup.